Hello, my dear student of class 12. Good morning to all of you. Yesterday, we shall discuss about the equation of the line passes through 2 points. Today, we shall discuss to find the distance between two lines. To find the distance between two lines, first of all, we examine the given equations are represented as the equation of the parallel line or equation of the intersecting line or equation of the skew lines. If the equation represent as intersecting line, that is shortest distance between them will be 0. Now pay attention here, this is the line and this is also as a line. Both intersect to each other at point P. Therefore, the shortest distance between the line L1 and L2 will be 0. Why? Shortest distance will be equal to 0 because both lines intersect to each other. In the case of intersecting lines, shortest distance will be 0. But in the case of not intersecting line means the lines cannot intersect to each other. The conditions, the distance between two lines. First of all, we examine the given lines represent as a pair of parallel lines or skew lines. Suppose that P vector v1 is equal to lambda times vector v2. In the case of vector v1 is equal to lambda times vector v2, that is the condition. The equation of the line represent as a parallel line. In the case of parallel lines, you can write vector v1 is equal to vector v1 is equal to vector v2 is equal to, suppose that vector v. Therefore, shortest distance between the lines is equal to vector v cross a2 minus a1 vector by mod of vector v. In the case of given lines are parallel to each other, first of all we find vector v by comparing the equation of the line vector r is equal to a plus lambda times vector v. v1 and v2 both are equal, therefore you can suppose that is vector v. Now vector v cross a2 minus a1 taken modulus of the vector by mod of vector v taken whole modulus, so that will be positive. The shortest distance of the lines will be mod of v1 cross a2 minus a1 by mod of v1 whole modulus. That is possible if and only if the given lines are parallel to each other. But in the case of skew lines, how can you find the shortest distance between the lines? In the case of skew lines, first of all, we compare the given lines to standard form of the equation of the line, that is vector r is equal to vector a plus lambda times vector v. But in the case of both lines are different line, first line compare by the equation r is equal to vector a1 plus lambda times vector v1. You can find the value of vector a1 and vector v2. And the second line, that is compared by the standard form vector r is equal to a2 plus v times vector v2. You can find the values of vector a2 and vector v2. Therefore, shortest distance st is equal to mod of v1 vector cross vector v2 dot a2 vector a2 minus vector a1 by mod of vector v1 cross vector v2 whole modulus, that is shortest distance between two skew lines. It means to find the shortest distance between the two lines, you have to examine the given lines or intersecting lines or parallel lines or skew lines. There are three conditions. In the first condition, that is intersecting case, shortest distance between the lines will be 0. And second condition, that is parallel condition. In the case of the given lines are parallel to each other, you can find the shortest distance by the formula mod of vector b cross vector a2 minus vector a1 by mod of vector b whole modulus. But according to the third condition, if the given lines are skew lines, that is b1 is not equal to b2 or vector b1 doesn't parallel to vector b2, you can find the shortest distance by use of the formula as st is equal to b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus a1 by mod of b1 cross b2 whole modulus. That is the formula to find the shortest distance between any two lines. Now, Cartesian form, that is vector form. In Cartesian form, how can you find the shortest distance between the two skew lines? Suppose that there are two skew lines. First is x minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1, where a1, b1, c1 is the direction ratios of the line, and second line, that is x minus x2 by a2 is equal to y minus y2 by b2 is equal to z minus z2 by c2, where a2, b2, c2 are direction ratios of the given vector. Now, to find the distance between these lines, first of all examine the given lines are parallel or not parallel, these skew lines. Patterns here a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, the given lines represent as the parallel lines. Other cases, that is skew lines. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, that is the condition for the given lines or skew lines. Now, in the case of parallel lines, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, that is the condition the lines to be parallel to each other. Therefore, shortest distance SD is equal to determinant b1 cross a2 minus b1 cross a2 minus a1. You can find determinant ijk x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 and a, b, c, and taken modulus, you can find the shortest distance between the lines. But in the case of a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by a2 is not equal to c1 by c2, that is the condition the given lines or skew lines. In the case of skew lines, how can you find the shortest distance between the lines in Cartesian form? That is determinant Fd is equal to determinant now x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, and according to the first equation a1, b1, c1 by the second equation a2, b2, c2 whole by under root b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole square plus c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square plus a1 b2 minus into b1 whole square. By use of the formula, you can find the shortest distance between any two skew lines. Skew lines means the lines which are not in the same plane. The lines which are not in the same plane is called skew lines. Now example, to find the shortest distance between the lines, the given lines are x minus 2 by 2. First equation, x minus 2 by 2, x minus 2 by 2 is equal to y minus 1 by 5 is equal to z plus 3 by minus 3. And second equation given that x plus 2 by minus 1, x plus 2 by minus 1, and y minus 4 by 8, y minus 4 by 8 is equal to z minus 5 by 4, z minus 5 by 4. Now find the shortest distance between these lines. Patterns here, x minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1. Therefore a1 is equal to 3 2, b1 is equal to 5, and c1 is equal to minus 3. That's a1 plus 1. Now second line, comparing by x minus x2 by a2 is equal to y minus y1 by b2 is equal to z minus z2 by c2. That is a2 is equal to minus 1, b2 is equal to 8, and c2 is equal to 4. Whereas here a1 by 2, that is minus 2 by 1, b1 by b2, that is 5 by 8, c1 by c2, that is minus 3 by 4, which indicates that given lines are not parallel to each other, means given lines are skew lines. Now shortest distance between two lines, that is skew lines, in the Cartesian form, you can apply the formula as SD is equal to determinant x2 minus x1. Patterns here, x2 that will be minus 2, x1 2, y1 minus 1, and z1 minus 3. Now x2 minus 2, y2 4, and z2 5. SD means x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Now a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 by under root a1 under root b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole square plus c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square plus a1 b2 minus a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square. Now substitute these values of x1 x2 y1 y2 z1 z2 a1 b1 c1, so that is equal to determinant x2 minus x1, SD is equal to determinant x2 minus x1. The x2 means minus 2, x1 means 2, so that is minus 2 minus 2, y2 minus y1, y2 means 4, y1 means minus 1, so 4 minus half minus, that is plus 1, z2 minus z1, 5 minus minus 3, that is 5 plus 3, so 5 plus 3 Now A1, B1, C1, 2, 5, minus 3. 2, 5, minus 3. And A2, B2, C2, minus 1, 8, 4. Minus 1, 8, 4 by under root B1, C2. So B1, C2, what is B1? B1 means 5. So B1, C2, that is 5 into 4 minus, that is minus, therefore minus of minus plus 8 into 3 whole square plus C1 A2. C1 means minus 3 minus 1. 3 minus 2 into 4 8 whole square plus A1 B2 2 into 8 16 minus A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So minus of minus plus 5 whole square. Now ST is equal to shortest distance mod of determinant minus 2 determinant minus 2 minus 4 and 5 plus 1 4 plus 1 5 and 5 plus 3 8 2 5 minus 3 2 5 minus 3 and minus 1 8 4 minus 1 8 4 whole mod upon under root 5 into 4 20 8 into 3 24 20 plus 24 that is 44 5 into 4 20 8 into 3 24 that is 44 square plus 3 minus 8 minus 5 square of minus 5 25 plus 16 plus 5 21 whole square 21 square that is 441. Now expansion of determinant mod of minus 4 multiplied 20 plus 24 20 plus 24 minus 5 multiplied 2 into 4 8 minus of minus into minus plus second minus 3 whole square plus 8 times 2 into 8 16 minus of minus plus 5 to minus 4 b into a2 minus b into a1 plus which is equal to 444 square 25 and 441. So first of all 44 multiplied 44 16 16 1 17 that is 16 and 17 6 7 6 13 2 9 1936. So 1936 plus 25 plus 441. By simplification of the expansion you can find the required result. Now mod of 20 plus 24 44 multiplied minus 4 44 multiplied minus 4 that is 16 17 minus 176 minus 176 plus minus 8 minus 3 5 multiplied 5 minus 25 that is minus 25 plus 16 plus 5 21 multiplied 8 21 multiplied 8 is equal to 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 168 by square root. Now balance here 1 5 6, 6 6 12, carry 1, 5 2 7, 7 3 10, carry 1, 5 9 14, 5 9 14, carry 1, that is 1 plus 1 2, 2402. Now simplify this, you can find the required result, which is equal to mod 8 1 the 68 minus 5 6 11 3 7 10 1 1 2 by under root 2402. Now 201 is greater than this, but taken markers, that is positive. Now 11 minus 8 3, 9 minus 6 3, 1 minus 1 0 by under root 2402. Taken the square root of the 2402, you can find the required result, which shortest distance between the lines will be 33 by under root 2402. That is answer. Thank you. Rest in next video.